This is the summary for Lesson 12, using graphs to compare relationships. And in the summary, they use the example of buying blueberries at two different stores. So the blueberries are priced differently at each store. So which store has the better price or the better deal? So in the first case, I'm going to look at the same price. So $12, the same price. And how many pounds of blueberries do you get for that price of $12? Well, at store A, you get 2 pounds of blueberries for $12. At store B, you get 3 pounds of blueberries for $12. So that $12, store A gets you 2 pounds, and that same $12 at store B gets you 3 pounds. Now, if you compare the number of pounds at each store, at store A, it's 2 pounds, store B, it's 3 pounds. So you get 1.5 times more pounds of blueberries at store B than you get at store A. So this is 1.5 times more pounds of blueberries for the same amount of money, that $12. And also notice that it's $12 per 2 pounds. That's the same as $6 per pound. And we're going to get to this in a little while. This is the constant of proportionality, is 6. Because whenever you look at an x value of 1, y will be the constant of proportionality because it's y divided by x. When x is 1, then that answer is y. So this is $6 per pound. And at store B, $12 divided by 3 pounds is $4 per pound. We're going to come back to this in a few minutes. All right, so what if you look at buying the same number of pounds at the different stores? So I'm going to go in and buy 3 pounds of blueberries at each store. Well, that 3 pounds of blueberries for store A is going to cost $18. Store A is more expensive. So 3 pounds of blueberries cost you $18. 3 pounds of blueberries at store B cost you $12. Again, the constant of proportionality is 18 divided by 3. That is $6 per pound. But now you're going to buy 3 pounds. So it's 3 times 6 is that 18. This is $12 per 3 pounds, which is $4 per pound. Well, if this is $4 per pound, I'm going to buy 3 pounds. 4 times 3 gives me that $12. So if you look at the price at store A compared to store B, it's 1.5 times more expensive at store A than it is at store B. So when you buy the same number of pounds, you're spending 1.5 times more money at store A. But when you're spending the same amount of money, you're getting 1.5 times more pounds at store B. So 1.5 times more pounds at store B for the same amount of money, 1.5 times more money at store A for the same number of pounds. So you can go on and look at the constant of proportionalities, which we touched on briefly. So for store B, at 1 pound, you're going to spend $4. So that's $4 per 1 pound. So y divided by x, 4 divided by 1 is equal to a constant of proportionality of 4. What that means is you use that to figure out what the cost is at any number of pounds you purchase. So if I purchase 4 pounds, 4 times 4 is going to cost me $16. That's right here. If I'm going to purchase 5 pounds of blueberries, it's going to cost me $20. That is right here. Likewise, at store A, the constant of proportionality is 6. It's $6 per 1 pound. So now I know what to multiply by given any number of pounds. I buy 3 pounds of blueberries. It's going to cost me $18. 3 times 6 is $18. If I'm going to buy 4 pounds of blueberries, it's going to cost me $24. That's right here, 22.4 right here. And so if you look at these comparisons, you're always going to get a factor of 1.5. So store B, the constant of proportionality is 4. It's right here. Store A, the constant of proportionality is 6. So 6 is 1.5 times 4. So it's 1.5 times greater. So it's this length right here. This is 1, and then half this length, which is this little length right here. You add that on. So this length is 1.5 times more than 1. If you spend the same amount of money, $12, you're going to get 1.5 times more pounds of blueberries at store B. It's less expensive, so you get more for the same amount of money. So 3 compared to 2. So this 3 is 1.5 times more than 2. So you go here to 2, 1, 2, and then a half of 2 is 1, so you add 1 more to that. So this is 1.5 times more than 2. So you get 3 pounds compared to 2 pounds. And if you purchase the same amount of blueberries, 3 pounds, you're going to spend 1.5 times more money. So $12 compared to $18. Well, you go up here to 12, and then half of 12 is 6. This is 2, 2, 4, 6, and that gets tacked on. So this is 2, 4, 6. So that 18 is 1. It's this length here and a half. This length here times more. So 1.5 times 12 is 18. So constant proportionality, compare the 6 to the 4. 6 is 1.5 times more. Same amount of money, 3 pounds compared to 2 pounds. 3 is 1.5 times more than 2. Same number of pounds, $12 compared to $18. $18 is 1.5 times more. So the same number of pounds, once again, you spend 1.5 times more money. The same amount of money, you get 1.5 times more pounds. And the concept of proportionality is comparing the money, $4 compared to $6 for just 1 pound of blueberries.